Hi guys!
Hi!
Yun na yung intro mo talaga. Hi mga ka-Inglaterra.
We are here. Ito mo, ipakita mo yung mga first timer.
Ay, we're here at Samal and then... Ay, bulabog ako natako.
Sige, ulit. Sige.
Hi guys! We're here at Samal and then may mga first timer kami dito. Ito ang first timer number 1.
Paano mo sabi mo?
It's okay.
It's okay!
It's okay, si mama.
How about you, auntie?
Bawal po to.
Okay lang din.
Okay. Team okay. Mga team okay. Parang kusyong lang kasi. Ito, kayo naman.
Guys, we have the key.
Where to?
We're going to our hotel. Not hotel. Bungalow room.
Wow.
Delta room 5 and 6. Let's go.
Wow, I like the view.
Go there.
Ay, nice te.
Diba?
Nice. Para ka mang resort owner.
Come here.
Wow.
Ito, big four. Same lang siya. Same na pala, oh.
Wow.
Para ito ilaw, para makita, no?
Oh.
This is like the old bunk bed. Tama ba? Ano? Bunk bed?
No,
Ano?
not bump.
What?
I don't know it.
Totoo ba? Tama ba?
Wood bed. Hindi ko alam.
So, guys, comment nyo na anong tawag dito bed. Guys, kasi what I know is this is bunk bed. Okay? So, come on, let's bunk here.